Friends, today I'm going to compare three most popular term insurance plan and show you how to select best term insurance plan 2024. This video is an ultimate guide on term insurance where I will uncover the real truth behind the promises made in policies, and I will also tell you things that your agent won't tell you. But what is term insurance? Term insurance is basically life insurance, and according to me, every person who has dependents must get a life insurance to secure the future of your family financially. If you buy a term insurance, you pay a small fee as premium every year, and in the event of your death, the insurance company pays a large sum of money to your family. Here, the premiums that you pay are exempted from tax up to 1.5 lakhs under ATC. Also, in case of your demise, the life cover paid to your family is completely tax-free under Section 1010D. But unfortunately, we often come across cases where someone was led into buying the wrong policy, which later hampered the family of the deceased. So to avoid this, we must make an informed decision for selecting life insurance policy. Like, we should analyze how much insurance cover do we need, does the insurance cover critical illness and disability, which plan has the lowest premium and best claim settlement ratio, etc. I know, selecting best term insurance plan can be complicated. So today in this video, I'm going to compare three term insurance plans step by step on the basis of key ratios and parameters and also explain them in easy words. Let's get started. I'm comparing HDFC Life Click to Protect Super, Max Life Smart Secure Plus, and ICICI Prudential iProtect Smart. For selecting term insurance, the first step is to check how likely is the insurance company to approve your claim. मतलब company claim approve करती भी है या नहीं? For that, we will check 5 parameters. Number 1, claim settlement ratio, CSR. It is equal to the total number of claims approved to the total number of claims received. For example, if a company receives 100 death claims and out of which 98 were cleared, then 98% is the claim settlement ratio. We should analyze 3-year average CSR. So we can see HDFC Life's CSR is 98.7%, Max Life Insurance 99.4%, and ICICI 97.1%. Ideally, CSR above 97% is good enough. Number 2 is amount settlement ratio. This is even more important. Sometimes insurance companies pay out the smaller claims while decline the high value claims just to increase the number of claims settled. That's why we need to look at amount settlement ratio, which is equal to the total amount settled to the total amount claimed. Example, if in a year 100 crore worth of claims were received, out of which 80 crore worth of claims were paid out, then the ASR is 80%. HDFC Life's ASR is 87.3%, Max Life 95.5%, and ICICI 92.1%. Ideally, ASR above 90% is good. So HDFC might look bad here, but this is 3-year average, and HDFC Life's ASR has improved by 7% in financial year 23 to over 96%. Also, the industry 3-year average ASR is 87%, so HDFC Life's 87.3% is still good to go. Number 3, complaints per 10,000 claims settled. Lowest number of complaints is of HDFC Life Insurance 2.7 and highest 14.3 of ICICI. Based on industry standards, HDFC Life's numbers are considered very good, Max Life's number is decent, while ICICI Prudential's numbers are below average. Number 4, annual business. For example, a company sells 1 lakh policies in a year, each of 10,000 rupees premium, then the annual business is equal to 1 lakh into 10,000 is equal to 100 crores. A company with high annual business indicates that it is a good company and people trust them. Among these three, HDFC Life clearly has the highest annual business, but the other two are also very good. Number 5, solvency ratio. Example, there is a natural disaster like earthquake. In such a case, a life insurance company may receive multiple claims together. But will they be able to pay them? To check that, we can look at solvency ratio. A high ratio indicates that the company is financially strong and has sufficient resources to settle valid claims. The highest ratio is of Max Life Insurance, indicating its highest chance of long-term survival. So friends, we can see that HDFC Life, Max Life Insurance, and ICICI, all these three have high claim settlement ratio, good amount settlement ratio, high volume of business annually, and are reliable brands to trust for the next 30 to 40 years at least. That's why I picked these 3 life insurance companies for comparison today. Friends, all of this information I've taken from Ditto, India's highest rated insurance advisor. You can also directly compare these plans from Ditto's platform. Simply go to their website, click on Compare Plans, select the plans, and that's it. You can see the comparison with an explainer also. Ditto is an insurance advisory platform which is backed by Zerodha. so you can understand the reliability. Ditto gives you spam-free advice, free consultation for selecting policies, and even help you with documentation and claim settlements. You can also use various educational tools on their website to understand insurance policies in easy words. So if you're looking for a spam-free platform to buy insurance, schedule a free call or chat with Ditto from the link in the description or pinned comment. Coming back to this, so these ratios help us to check credibility of life insurance company. Now, to select the best term insurance plan, we will do comparison on the basis of cover, duration, premium, and riders. The first parameter is duration. That is how long you want to keep your policy. You have to make this choice at the time of purchase and you cannot change it afterwards. Example, if I'm 30-year-old and I want to retire at 60, then I can take a term insurance plan for the duration of 30 years. In this case, if I die before 60, then my family will get the insurance claim, and if I die after 60, then my family won't get any claim. On the other hand, whole life insurance can cover till 90 to 100 years old. But think about it. Does my family really need the insurance money if I die at 92? I don't think so. Because I was anyway going to stop earning and retire at 60, I would save up some money till then, plus my children would also be financially independent by then. So ideally, term insurance plan till 60 to 65 years old is enough. No need to pay high premium for whole life insurance. In case of these three term insurance policy, you can see their max coverage is up to 85 and 99 years also, although you can choose till what age you want. Minimum and maximum age to buy the policy is 18 and 65 years old, and in all three you get a free look period, which means within 30 days of purchase of policy, you can terminate the policy if it doesn't suit you. Next parameter is insurance cover. This is very important. How much amount you think is enough to cover your family's expenses after you're gone? See, 50 lakh insurance cover. Seems like a big amount, right? But you know what? Due to inflation of about 5% in our country, the value of 50 lakhs after 14 years will be equal to only 25 lakhs, which does not seem enough. So we need to take inflation also into consideration. For that, we can simply use Ditto's free term insurance calculator to calculate the cover amount. Here, set your current age, example 30, set the duration, say till 60 years, enter the current monthly expenses of your family, example 40,000 per month. If you have loans, then obviously you don't want your family to bear the burden of the loan. So you have to add loan amount also here and then calculate. Then it shows if currently your family spends 40,000 per month, then after 30 years, family spending will be equal to 1,82,000 per month to keep up the same lifestyle, which means we would need a cover of 1.6 crores. Similarly, you can calculate for yourself. I have given the link. Now, if we talk about max life insurance or the other two, we can take 1 crore or 10 crore cover also. But the cover amount will be approved on the basis of your income. Example, if I'm 30-year-old, then the maximum eligibility is 25 times of my income. So if my income is 10 lakh rupees, then 10 into 25 is equal to 2.5 crores is the maximum cover I can get. Plus, a pre-medical checkup will also be done. Now, please note, term insurance policies are very rigid. You can't change the coverage once you sign the deal. So we should select term insurance which has the feature of cover amount top-up. So look for voluntary top-up or life stage benefit, which provides the option to increase your cover by a certain amount or percentage later also. Next parameter is premium. So if I'm 30-year-old, then for 1 crore cover till 60 years, the starting premium is 10,727 per year, which comes to only 893 rupees per month. If you want to check the premiums, you can set a free call or chat with Ditto from the link in the pinned comment. This premium remains same throughout the term. That's one benefit of term insurance. This premium is of Max Life Smart Secure Plus. Similarly, you can see the premium amounts here for the other two. But keep in mind, this premium is specifically for this condition. So if you are older or younger, the premium will change. Plus, the premiums are different for men and women. In case of men, premiums are slightly higher than for women. I'm showing this just to give you an idea about how much it may cost. Also friends, for term insurance of 1 crore cover, there are plans starting with 500 rupees premium per month also. But please don't select only on the basis of premium amount, as there are many important features we need to look at. Like if someone becomes permanently disabled due to an accident or gets a critical illness, then he won't be able to go to work. In such case, how will he pay for the insurance premium? For that, look for the feature called waiver of premium on permanent disability and critical illness. So in case of permanent disability or critical illness, the company will pay your premiums on your behalf. which means you can still keep your term insurance policy without actually paying anything. This is an add-on feature, which means you have to pay an additional amount, like around 3 to 400 rupees. Which critical illness are they covering? Do have a look at that also. Both waiver of premium on permanent disability and critical illness is there in Max Life and HDFC Life. Waiver of premium on critical illness is not applicable in ICICI. Finally, the last parameters, riders, that we need to add in our term insurance plan. Terminal illness rider. If someone is diagnosed with terminal illness, it means it will most likely lead to death. The moment the diagnosis is confirmed, the insurer will either pay full cover amount or up to a certain amount of your cover, and you can use this money as you wish. This is a free rider in all these three policies. But wait, the doctor has to certify that the demise will happen within 180 days. Only then the insured member gets the money despite being alive. But usually doctors do not give this in writing, so it is actually difficult to claim this rider. Do keep in mind. Next is critical illness rider. If you're diagnosed with a critical illness, your health insurance might cover your hospital bills, but you cannot go to work and thus cannot earn. This may affect your family. For such situation, we can add critical illness cover. Here we can decide how much cover we want up to 1 crore. Example, if you select 10 lakh cover and you get diagnosed with a critical illness, then you will get paid 10 lakh rupees to help you in crisis. But again, please note the insurers expect you to survive for a certain duration before they make this payment to you. Similarly, we can also add accidental cover. Here also we can select the cover amount we want up to 1 crores. Example, if I select 20 lakhs, then if in an accident I die, then the insurance company will pay 20 lakh rupees extra beyond the sum insured. This rider is beneficial if your cover amount is low. Both critical illness and accident cover are paid riders and are available in all three. So friends, I've tried to compare all major ratios and parameters. So now as per your requirement, you can decide which is the best term insurance plan for you. Also friends, I'm not registered under IRDAI. This video is only for educational purpose. Nothing is a recommendation or advice of any kind. So please do your own research, for which you can use Ditto's educational tools. And if you need to buy insurance or get free consultation on selecting policy, then schedule a free call or chat with Ditto with the link in the description and pinned comment. If you learned anything new in this video, make sure to hit the like button, and for more educational content, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching till the end.